Hello students, today we are going to study amazing animals. Last time we studied about the flightless birds. In flightless bird I told you the birds which cannot fly are called as the flightless birds. The size of the wing of flightless birds are small in comparison to the size and the weight of the bird. That is why birds, such birds cannot fly. So today we are going to study some amazing animals. Amazing animals are very peculiar animals. So now open page number 26, lesson 17. Lesson 17, amazing animals. Amazing amazing animals. So you have to open page number 26. Page number 26. In page number 26, uh, the description is given for a few animals. One animal is oysters. Oysters. Oysters can change from one gender to another and back again. It means suppose one oyster is there, oyster is meant for the production of the pearl. So oyster, suppose an oyster is male, it can be changed into the female and again it can change its gender and converted into the male itself. So in this way, this is a peculiar animal. No any other animal has such property. So these animals have the property by which it can change from one gender to another and back again. Now next amazing animal is the sea catfish. Sea catfish. Second one is sea catfish. Sea catfish. Here father sea catfish, father sea catfish keeps the eggs of its young ones in its mouth until they are ready to hatch. It does not eat until the young ones are born. So this is a peculiar feature and this is really very amazing animal and which eat nothing until young ones are born. So a father catfish keeps the eggs of its young ones in its mouth until they are ready to hatch. It does not eat until the young ones are born. Now next one is, unlike most fish, electric eel. This is the electric eel. Electric eel. Electric eel cannot get enough oxygen from the water. Unlike most fish, Electric eel cannot get enough oxygen from water. In every 5 minutes, it comes to surface to breathe. It is also known for its excellent swimming, as it can swim both backwards and the forwards. So electric eel, like many other animals, electric eels not get enough oxygen, so periodically it comes outside, so comes for the surface of the water to breathe, and it has the capacity to swim in both forward and backward direction. So once more read, unlike most fish, electric eel cannot get enough oxygen from water. In every 5 minutes, it comes to surface to breathe. It is also known for its excellent swimming, as it can swim both backwards and the forwards. Now next, quail. Quail is a cat-like marsupials. Quail is a cat-like marsupials from Australia. It sleeps in daytime with folded ears to block any sound from disturbing him. So marsupials, you have listened the name of the kangaroo. Kangaroo have the pouch in which kangaroo keep it the young ones. So marsupials is a group of animals which having the pouch in which they keep their the young ones. So quail is a cat-like marsupial. It is found in Australia and it sleeps in daytime with folded ears, block any sound from disturbing him. Now next one, some white-winged vampire bats pretend to be the chicks of a hen. Once in position under the hens, the bats feed on their the blood. So this is the blood sucking bat that is called as the white winged vampire bats. We see the bats here which are generally the vampire bats having the white wings. They pretend to be